This is my honest review of the compact USB wired keyboard and mouse combo for the Mac or the PC by Macally or Macally or Macally. Either way, let's do a quick opening and I'm gonna take you to the computer. Nice spring action. This feels light. Smooth rolling. Optical. All right, so we are connected to my iMac. As you can see here, it's connected to the USB ports in the back. This is the keyboard. Here's the mouse. I'm gonna move this up so you can see the typing action here. Just typed in hello world. Let's give it another test here. Hello again. So every key is very smooth. The mouse is pretty smooth as well. Here's the mouse, the buttons. Very soft when you click. It's not a hard click. Everything's reacting very fine. So overall, guys, real short. This is, it works. It just simply works. And very reliable. So I'm very happy with it. So I do highly recommend these guys. Macally or Macally. Macally's.